Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make pork osso buco step by step. Start by trimming excess fat and patting shanks dry so they brown evenly. Heat oil until shimmering and brown both sides, then remove. Sauté aromatics, deglaze with wine or stock, return shanks, add tomatoes and herbs, and simmer gently until meat is tender and falling from the bone for the best flavor and texture. Trim sinew and excess fat, then season generously with salt and pepper before dusting lightly with flour. Heat a heavy pan with oil until it shimmers, then brown shanks in batches without crowding to maintain heat. Work in batches for color, reserving brown meat and pan fond. This step creates the foundation for a deep, savory braise that makes the meat tender and flavorful as it cooks slowly. Once the pan is deglazed, add tomatoes, stock, herbs, and aromatics, then nestle shanks into the braising liquid so they are partially submerged. Bring to a gentle simmer, then cover and transfer to low oven or reduce heat on stovetop for several hours. Check periodically, spooning braising juices over the meat. Finish by removing shanks and reducing the sauce to intensify flavor before serving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.